Welcome back to another video. Let's head out on a random vlog. We have no idea where we're going, so let's go. All right, so we're back. We were actually in a nice little plaza that we like walking in, Dollar Tree, and had a couple of other stores that we like. I didn't film. It was more of those moments where my daughter was in such a good mood and she was just wanting to walk, and it's just me and my husband wanted to live in the moment. I didn't want to film, if that makes sense. I did like record her and him and playing and stuff, but it was more of like a intimate, I guess you could say, moment. Um, but yeah, we did get some stuff at I think Dollar Tree and Five Below, and I'll go ahead and show you guys that now. Okay, so I have my last here, and I also have my husband's uncle. I had to close the door, and I put my mic on, so hopefully you guys can hear me really good. So again, I don't know if I said this already. We went to Dollar Tree, and then we also went to Five Below. We went to a couple of other stores, but we didn't buy anything. So I'm just going to show you what we got at Dollar Tree first. So us moms all need those really quick meals that you just need to throw and put together. So this is mine, one of my favorites. I normally get this at Target, but they're not $125 at Target, so I decided to get it at Five Below at Dollar Tree, which are these guys. So when I make this, I actually only use one full packet of this with the flavoring, since it is really high sodium, and then I kind of shift out the flavors and seasonings off of the other one. It's perfect. It tastes perfect. It doesn't even taste like I did anything to it. It's a lot of sodium for 2 packets, so I just use one, I guess you could say, since it's all in there. I also like this creamy garlic one, so I got 2 of those as well. My husband and my daughter were playing with this the other day, and they call it Spider, and it's basically for the wall, and it just kind of climbs down. This reminds me when I was a kid. So he picked this up. The other one already broke, so I needed some more hair clips because this hair, whew, and I need to color it. We're ignoring that, right? Okay, yeah, pretend you didn't see it. I've been having a taste of this, and oh wait, this was from Five Below. Pretend I didn't say that, even though it's true. I haven't had a taste of this. So we also got these potato sticks. Me and my husband got hot chips, but we finished those. So my daughter already opened another pack of these. We got 2. This is amazing in your hot dogs or in your soup as well. They had original and it has sour cream and cheese or something like that. These are really good if you want like a really quick snack. I had already tried this and I loved it, and then he decided to try some as well. So he got the Snack Club peach rings with tahini, chile, and lime. I tried this, I loved it. And then he decided to pick up the watermelon rings, which is tahini, chile, and lime, which is also really good. So if you guys have this at Dollar Tree, I definitely recommend if you like spicy. I got some M&Ms. He got some all clear disinfecting wipes. He actually likes these for the car. We got some more of these scented garbage bags. I use them for my daughter's diaper, and I just noticed that we actually need to keep them in the stroller as well, because we were walking around for the last couple of days since it's been nice out, and we kind of just been throwing it at the bottom, so then I have to clean everything out when we close it, before we close it up, and keeping one of these garbage bags would be so much easier. So I got one roll to just leave in the stroller. I got another one of these brush and combs. I use this for my eyebrows. I actually don't have anything other than the Wink Clink brow sculpt on my eyebrows, and I kind of really like it. I think my eyebrows are finally to the growthness that I'm okay with leaving it without product, which makes me really happy, because this is like probably my go-to look gonna be this summer. So yeah, I got this. I actually got one of those last time as well. I had gotten those little tray thingies that you could get like when you go out to eat, like when you go to diners and stuff. So I just got some more of basically the insert papers, I guess you could say, the wax basket liners for that, to make it easier for cleaning up. Also, I love those and use them all the time for cookouts. long hair, losing your hair. If you guys don't know, these are expensive online. So we got 2 more of these. They are basically so you can put it in the shower drain and take out the gunk. I love these for when I send my husband with like bagels for lunch, or if my daughter wants a ranch. And you know, like if you get wings, you get the big one. I just put hers in here, and she thinks it's just hers is tinier, because she's little. She literally says that. So I love these. My husband got some random stuff this time. He picked up these really cute socks. Basically, Space Jam theme. They are really really cute though. Yeah, he got these. He got some jerky. I think he had 2, but he finished the other one. He got this yogurt covered cranberries. I don't know if he's ever tried them, but he got these. And then I got 2 more packs of gloves. Someone commented in one of my other videos to put lotion in my hands and then go ahead and wash the dishes. But then I thought about it after, like, what if it gets sticky inside the gloves? Oh, she made disposable ones. Okay, yeah, that is a good idea though. I might try that to see if it helps. They have gotten a lot better though. Probably also because of my daughter's situation. But okay, and then the last thing we got at Dollar Tree. My husband got these gloves. He uses these for work, so he's like, this is a good deal. So he got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these all come with 3. So 3 pairs of gloves for $125, and he uses this all the time for work. And he actually really likes the Dollar Tree ones. So that was a very smart buy in his world. And then we went to Five Below. So at Five Below, we did get my daughter a little stuffed animal. I think we left it in the car, if I'm being honest. It was really cute, but we left it in the car. She calls it Mishi Mishi. She put the car seat on it. It was cute. Anyways, we got that, and then we got this freeze-dried sweets. I don't even know how to say that, but it's basically candy, and it's from freeze dried. I've been seeing this kind of stuff all over TikTok. My husband, again, he actually picked this up. It is really good, but it is really, really sweet. I'm not a candy eater at all. Like, I will eat this or chocolate 9 out of 10 times. I rarely crave anything like this or lollipops. But these are pretty good. But again, I only had one, and I was like, okay, I'm done. But if you have a sweet tooth, definitely try out those freeze-dried candies. And then this is what I had been having a taste for a while. So I used to be obsessed with these. And these are the Frito brand, the Frito flavored twist honey barbecue. These are really, really good, but they are teeny tiny, bit spicy, but they are delicious. I really had a taste for these. Funny story, Fritos actually makes my stomach hurt really bad because I guess the concentrate, in the corn, when they make it, is stronger, and I can't have corn. But I still like it. So, for those days that you want to make yourself suffer. All right, so I'm actually going to make some bread. I'll kind of leave the recipe on the screen if you guys are interested in making it at home. This is just what I've been doing that I feel like has actually been working. But yeah, let's go ahead and make some bread. All right, guys, I noticed that it was a little bit confusing while I filmed this. So if you guys would like a reel, I might actually just film one today. I need to make more bread anyways. Just let me know down below. But the ingredients are on the screen. I do feel like every step kind of matters because it's bread. Whenever I skipped any kind of step, it just kept failing for me. This is just what's currently working for me. You also can do this by hand. I just personally have a really bad wrist, so I was like, let me just go ahead and use my handy dandy mixer. All right, so now I'm gonna let it sit there until tomorrow. It's gonna double in size, and then I'm gonna go ahead and knead it. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And then I roll it out, and then I put it in the pan, and I leave it there for another 2 hours until it doubles in size again. And then I put it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your oven. Yeah, in case I don't show you guys, I'll share it on my Instagram. Or I might show you guys since this video is kind of short. I don't know. It might be a 2-day. I don't know. We'll see.
I forgot to do an outro.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave this emoji down below if you are still here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.